Hey guys, today I'm unboxing and testing these self-adhesive hooks. They're perfect for hanging keys, masks or towels. With a strong waterproof design, they can hold up to 10 kilos. No nails, no drilling, just peel and stick. With a load capacity of up to 10 kilo, these waterproof hooks are perfect for your kitchen, bathroom or bedroom. I got a pack of 8 for just rupees 173. It's that easy. As you can see, the hooks stick securely to the surface. No nails, no drilling required. Just peel and stick and you're good to go. That's it for this quick review. If you're looking for a strong and easy hanging solution, check the link in the description for more details.